Just a few weather headlines. The Timmins Airport reporting 1 statute mile visibility, runway 03 visual range, 6,000 feet all night long last night. Kapuskasing, 3/4 of a mile to 3 miles visibility, light snow, blowing snow as well for that location. 2, school buses canceled for a third day due to the overall weather conditions as well as highway conditions. Not to mention there's still a few highway segments still closed for, we're going on, I think, 2 days now. So check Ontario 511 for that. Texas Gulf Highway is still one of them, from Kid Creek north to Driftwood, and I think Highway 11 from Cap all the way down to Matheson. That's when I checked at 5:30 this morning. Please check Ontario 511 for further details. Number 3, our winter storm is gone because our weather alerts were dropped at 5 o'clock this morning. So we are alert free in Northeast Ontario. Our storm system, day 2 is done. It's gone towards Quebec, spinning backwards, just like this. Northwesterly winds from Fort Severn right down to Ottawa. Gusty winds about 40-50 kilometers an hour here at home in Northeast Ontario. So today is recovery day number 1. Get the shovels, get the snow blowers out there. And thank you so much to all the provincial and local road crews for doing your best to keep our highways open. That's what the system's perspective looks like. Cloud cover. It's going to be a gray dull day all day today. All Northeast Ontario dealing with the backwards effect of that storm system. Caphurst west, it's going to be just cloudy for Northwest Ontario. It looks quieter anywhere west of Hearst along Highway 11. It's just going to be a dull gray day for a day like today. As far as snowfall goes, Hearst is in the clear right now, but there still may be a few stray snowflakes. Kapuskasing down towards Waynesboro. Snow still consuming a good portion of the Trans-Canada Highway, and Timmins still picking up some light snow there as well. Don't forget, 16 centimeters between midnight and noon yesterday in Kapuskasing. Getting back to basics, forecast for this morning, -7 at Earlton with some light snow, brisk northwesterly winds continuing, up to 1 centimeter or more left over for this morning. Temperatures are going to be steady, -10 at Hearst for this morning, and I put -1 at Moosonee. They're the warmest spot on the map for today, which is great. -6, -7 for Cochrane and Iroquois Falls. For your Friday afternoon forecast, we diminished the snowfall to less than 1 centimeter. We may even stop the snow at Earlton with -5, overcast this afternoon for that region. -1 still at Moosonee. Check the local forecast for that in case they made an error, but otherwise our temperatures are right across the map. They stick around the -5 degree mark, which is maybe a few degrees below normal, but we're still far away from the Arctic January value. So enjoy the mild temperatures for today and have a good snow day today.